Okay. Um, it seems we are live. How's everyone doing today? Yeah. I apologize for the delay. I had some audio issues. Hope everyone's doing well. There's gonna be some changes going on in Mickey stocks. We're gonna launch a podcast. Our Instagram has been really taking off. Facebook, other social media you can find us on, as well as I am in the process of moving trading platforms. And Mickey has a whole bunch of secrets coming out for you guys. Before this trade live stream, Mickey was shorting AMC, and I was too chicken to short AMC because I am a little bitch boy. You heard me, Mickey, little bitch boy. Okay. So AMC crashed like 20. It was insane. Let me pull up the chart here. So, uh, we're gonna use TradingView for today, but next, starting from next, starting from next week, I will have a new platform for you guys. Okay, let's go to AMC. So let's go to charts. Okay, so I believe this is where Mickey shorted, and holy mother of God, I should have added here, added here, added here. This was an amazing trade. This trade made like $20. Oh God, what did I do? I didn't trade. I didn't sleep last night, so I am not trading. Um, Let that be a lesson. Get your shit in order. Okay, so on today's docket, we have a couple things in the news. As far as the news for today's goes, we have, well, AMC. The CEO sold all of his shares. He's out. He cashed out for like $220 million. Mickey and I were debating before this, what would you do with $220 million? And Mickey said he would move to an island. Well, I said I would probably spend it all. I would probably spend it all in a week, because a lot of mixed data, and the pre-market stocks are really selling off. The QQQ, as you guys can see in the pre-market, the QQQ is it's selling off. Let's go to 5 minute chart. Maybe that'll be, yeah, a nice downtrend in the QQQ already in the pre-market. I do have to say, TradingView is kind of nice. I'm gonna miss this a little bit. What else do we have? The SPY is also selling off in the pre-market. It's just not as bad as a QQQ, but it's still, not good. A lot of mixed data coming out. We have U.S. stocks expecting a higher inflation. That means we're expecting a probable rate hike. I have multiple monitors, so I'm looking at a couple things. I'm looking at a couple things at a time. Crude has reversed from its highs. As you guys said, it broke 70, and now it's around 68. There really isn't much news today. Uh, yeah, there really isn't much news. Okay, economic. We have some, composite PMI data, ISM data, crude oil inventories, FOMC makers. The PMI will show us if inflation's heating up. Same with the FOMC speakers. I'm saying inflation heating up, even though I don't believe in this. I don't believe in this bullshit Keynesian economic motherfucking nonsense. Yeah, I cursed. Um, Look, it's been a fun week. I'm having a kind of a crappier trading week, and I have encouraged myself to change trading platforms. So if you guys go to our Instagram, there was a whole basket of posts on this. Oh, it's just AMC news, man. This company has been really lately. Um, I mean, I don't know what to tell you guys. I really don't. It's just so we cover the news for the day. Let's see some hot stocks. As far as levels go, let's go to levels. Let's go to daily. No, so daily. As you guys can see, my levels here are working pretty nicely. We're in this range on the QQQ. I'm looking at the QQQ, the ETF, not the NQ, the contract from the CME. Market's in a nice range. If the market drops here, I think it's going to go down to 326. On the 4-hour chart, yeah, the 4-hour chart is really bearish. I mean, we had a nice accumulation, then the trend upwards, then now we're in distribution, and now we're seeing the whole cycle reverse on it. We're seeing the whole cycle reverse on itself. Sorry about that. On the hour chart, it's the same thing. It looks like to the 328 level. It's gonna hit some resistance, but I'm bearish on the day. Actually, I'm not trading. I am not trading today anyway, cause yeah. Let's go to the SPY. SPY, same kind of stuff. Let me recenter my chart. It's the same thing as a QQQ. I have all these messy levels. Please excuse this, but it's in a consolidation, and it's looking like it wants to drop. As we said, we had the accumulation, more accumulation. Now we're in distribution of the trend. It could probably test. This is a 200 SMA. It can probably hit the 200 SMA and reverse upwards. The 200 SMA is a favorite institutional level. So if the 200 SMA hits, automatically there will be a mountain of buying on that. Quote me on a mountain. And same, we're approaching I think we're at the 200 SMA. So on the 1 hour, that means at the open we might see a bounce on the SPY. I think we're going to see a bounce on the SPY anyway. The open is like an inflection point, like a news event where it causes just increased market volatility. That's why if you get into a trade in the pre-market, you shouldn't be. But if you're advanced and you are, be careful to either take a profits and lower your size before the open, because the open can reverse. That volatility can reverse, and then in the first 5 minutes, added volatility can extend that new trend that reversed you out. So not only can you be reversed out of it, but you can be reversed and taking a big loss. So be careful when taking open trades at the pre-market. Some hot stocks for the day. AMC, of course, AMC. AMC is just on fire. Literally on fire. BBB, also, what is BBB doing? I traded BBB yesterday. Looks like it's also rolling over. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Oh, I forgot to play the intro, everyone. So before we go on the list, let's get the intro. And thank you, Mickey, for making that awesome intro that I managed to butcher on my first time. Um, the future will be better, everyone. This is pretty funny. But that's what you get when you leave a 20-year-old in charge when you leave to go to a wedding, Mickey. Let's see. BlackBerry had this actually a really nice pullback in the pre-market. This was a good long opportunity, and then this was just an awesome short. But the real trade was AMC. So as far as pre-market ideas go, AMC and BB are obviously going to be it. But be careful, it's going to be choppy as a motherfucker. Um, Besides that, I'm not really seeing much change in the day. I mean, everybody's trading AMC. Everyone. God damn it, everyone. Um, I'm going to leave you guys with some new segments because basically it's been 10 minutes and I don't have much to tell you guys. Uh, so we will have a YouTube comment soon, YouTube content. Then we will have more IG content coming at you guys, podcast coming at you guys. Then I will have trade reviews coming at you guys. Soon we're going to be launching our soon we're going to be launching more content as I already mentioned. Bear with me. I am very tired. Then we will be launching just more content, and eventually, guys, if you're interested, there will be courses and tutoring and live trading view. But our focus right now is to give back to the community, which sounds like a lot of bullshit, and it kind of is. But at the end of the day, we're gonna give you guys some great content, and we're gonna show you our actual trades, and our information we're gonna give you is gonna be good stuff. So even if you don't take our paid courses, please ask us questions, DM us, contact us, email us, and we'll be happy to get back to you. And today's lesson is going to be about trading in the pre-market. So in the pre-market, don't trade in the pre-market. That's the lesson. But okay, more information. Sorry, more information. Only limit orders work in the pre-market. The spread is much higher, and the market, since it's less liquid, see the spread is the difference between the bid and the ask, and you need the bid and the ask to come. The bid and the ask to come together to make a trade. In the middle is usually a market maker. So you're not actually trading to buyer and seller. You're trading. Wow. So yeah. Well, bear with me on this one. Uh, okay. My cam. Anyway, I'm going to continue my rant. I hope you enjoy my really cool background. Uh, I think this picture speaks to the fact of what's going on, as like New York is crumbling, AMC is crumbling, and the whole economy is on fire. But we're all like, I wanted to describe it as like all these stocks are like, when the ship is sinking and it shoots flares in the air and it looks like fireworks. Well, AMC's and all these crazy stock news is just the American economy shooting a flare into the air as it collapses. Yeah, that's my 2 cents. Anyway, so because the more liquid a stock is, that means liquidity means it's easier to get in and out of a trade. Now that there is no liquidity, so there's less people to buy and sell, so it's harder to get out of the trade because there's no one to buy and no one to sell. They're scattered at different prices, and in the future I'll cover this on my new platform. This means that prices will jump from buyer to seller rapidly, so that the price can easily in the pre-market and in the actual trading, but it's a lot more common in the pre-market, can skip prices and gap against you. So just be careful when you're trading the pre-market as usual. Guys, I had 3 losing trades in a row quickly on AMC and BBB yesterday. So be careful when trading these names. Highly manipulated, highly jackass, dumbass traded. These dumb motherfuckers are buying in their Robinhood accounts and they're just messing with the stock's liquidity. I mean, if you made money, good on you. In one of my group chats, somebody said they bought it at like $5, and I was like, nah. I guess he's laughing at me now, and I was wrong. Well, I don't know if I was wrong, but looking back, I would have happily liked to have the AMC at $5. Mickey sold it at like 10, so you live, you learn. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, lecture of me, Daniel Rand, the 20-year-old, aka the Iron Fist. Hope you enjoyed this shotgun of a stream, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. We'll see you guys next week. On Sunday is our podcast, and possibly next Friday I will be doing a stream again, unless Mickey tells me I'm an idiot and this is garbage and I should quit my job. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But let me guys know what you think and have an awesome one and have a happy weekend.